Hello guys, in today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to match the background onto your text. So your text design will be look the same as the background color. And the way how to do it, first you need to import a photo or a picture. And then for example I will try to use this image of a car, this one. Okay, it's a Ferrari car, and then adjust the size of the image, and then now you need to click the apps button here and then click font frame, this one, and then open the apps by clicking it like this. Click it, wait for a moment, and after that you need to click the image that you want to edit and then adding it to the frame of your text like that. After you clicking it, swipe up the screen and then click the use selected image, this one, click it, then wait for a moment. After that, swipe up, and now you can see the result, and your text will be look like this. And after that, if you want to change the the text, you can click this one. And for example, I will type Ferrari. That's one. And I will try to change the font. I think I will try to use this one. So you can see here, you can adjust the perspective from the image that you add onto this text. For example, I'll try to add I think like this, to positioning the car onto this text like this. And after you finish doing it, don't forget, if you don't want to have a outline onto your text, you can decrease the border width until it's 0. And after that, add to the design and wait for a moment. And as you can see, now the text is already appear on the design like this. And after that, click the image and then click the Magic Studio, then click this Magic Grab tools to grab the car outside from the outside from the frame like this. Just clicking it like that and then grab. Then you need to wait for a moment. Okay, after finish, you can delete this background, this one, click delete, and as you can see, now we only have the left image is just the car, this one, and then swipe left the toolbar. For the position, click backward, make sure that the car is behind of the text like this. Let me adjust the frame of this text. Okay, and after that you need to increase the size of the text and make sure that it has a match position with the car. And after you finish positioning the text design onto the car like this, you can click the text and then click evac, and now you need to add a shadow and then click the outline shadow and decrease the size of the shadow onto 7, and then change the color of the shadow onto white color like this. And after that, click the image, then you need to do the same, add a outline shadow. Don't forget to decrease the size of the shadow and then change it onto white color like this. And after that, we need to change the background color. For example, I will use, I think, this red color. And after you finish, this is the result that you got from following this tutorial. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.